Why does your scanner show the P2637 engine code? What does it mean? P2637 is a diagnostic trouble code for torque management feedback signal A malfunction. This engine code indicates that a signal malfunction has been detected in the PCM or one of the other support modules dealing specifically with the torque. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So what causes this imbalance here are the most common culprits. This error could be caused by these possible faults in your car. Faulty PCM or TCM. Wiring problems. Ground connection issues. Sensor malfunction. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code can appear in most modern vehicles with an OBD2 system, which includes vehicles manufactured since 1996. It is commonly found in Chevrolet, Ford, Dodge, Toyota, Honda, and more. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.